Well, we're back. It's about 9:30 in the evening, and the sleet has continued to come down. As you can see, the trees are frozen. There's white surfaces all over the place. My cars and the neighbors' cars are all frozen. There's ice all over the ground, and I walked out in the driveway earlier. My driveway is pretty steep. It's pretty damn slick. Shit. Probably not a good idea to walk out here right now. But there's all the slushiness. You can hear the sleet continuing to fall. The car is just covered. Oh wow, hard as a rock. Wish I could find my ice scraper. I'd be the most popular kid in town. That tree sure is pretty. All covered in that ice. Shit! Get back up here before I kill myself and break my neck. We'll have some more updates soon.